Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the brand new Glossybox Christmas Limited Edition box. This is not the December monthly subscriber box. This is a special limited edition one that you'll have to buy separately, and I have to say it's so good. I was not planning on filming today, but I literally threw on a bit of lipstick, threw on a bit of eyeliner and was like, right, I'm gonna have to film. It's too good. It's too good not to. So this box is worth £104. However, it's being sold for £25 to subscribers and £35 to non-subscribers. I have to say, even at £35, it is well worth the money. I think this is going to sell out so quickly because it is phenomenal. It's so good. Oh, let's get into it. So first of all, of course, you can see a little sparkly something, and I'm just going to whip this out and show it to you quickly. It's very cute. It's a little sparkly pouch. You can use it as a makeup bag, use it as a clutch bag. You can use it, I don't know, to put your receipts in if you're self-employed. Might be a nice way of jazzing up your accounts. Who knows? Anyway, I love this. I might actually give it to Mary. I think she will love it. It's so pretty. But yeah, I really like it. It's lovely. It really would make a cute like clutch bag though, just saying. Anyway, that is the first thing, and that is the pouch it comes in. And now I'm gonna whip into the products. There is so much good stuff in here. I don't know if I should do like best or last, best first. I'm just gonna dive in and show it all to you in one go. It's so good. But first of all, I have to show you this candle. It's by a company called Demi, who I don't know, I've never heard of, which is crazy because I am a big candle girl. I love a candle. I am somebody who has spent a lot of money on candles. I own that giant diptyque candle, you know, that like enormous one that's like a bucket of wax? I own that. Anyway, this candle is so cute. It's by a company called Demi, who I don't know, and it looks like a face. It's quite sculptural. It's very pretty. You can have it as a bit of an objet d'art, and it also smells really good. It smells really like creamy and milky. I really like it. I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like, but it's good. I really like it. It's really lovely, but it's absolutely beautiful to look at. It's such a joy. What a treat. I just think it's really cool. I just love it. I think it's so good. Anyway, I had to show you that first because I was too excited. Okay, so the next thing that we've got is by Rituals. This is a body cream and it's a Ritual of Mare. I don't know which one that is. I'm gonna smell it. I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, it's thick and quite lush. You know, when you're like, it's more than your usual body cream. It's almost hand cream. It smells good. I think it's quite spicy. It's almost quite clovey. It's like subtle Christmas. It's warm, a little spicy. It's nice. Yeah, I'm into it. That's that. And then where should we go next? Let's go for this. I'm not sure what this is. This is by Glow, G-L-O-H. And this is Everyday Radiance, and this is a beauty powder. Oh, it's a supplement. Okay, cool. I'll give it a go. Yeah. I don't know them, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a supplement, so we'll give that a go. Oh my God, I have to show you this. Bare Minerals Prime Time. This is their iconic primer, 7ml. I mean, I love Bare Minerals. I love it so much. It's quite an expensive brand, so I don't treat myself to it very often. I can't speak, I'm so excited. I don't treat myself to it very often because it's quite expensive, and also I don't use primer every day because I don't wear that much makeup. So I do find that when I get these minis, it's actually almost enough for me to kind of like tie me over for quite a while. But yeah, 7ml, absolutely amazing. Bare Minerals, love, love, love their products. And then what have we got next? I'm not sure what this is. Oh, Schwarzkopf. This is a Moisture Kick Spray Conditioner. I'm just gonna go in right now. My hair's quite dry, you know me. I don't have the best hair. I hope you can use it on dry. Oh no, you're meant to use it on towel dried hair. Oh well, whatever. My hair smells better now. It smells, you know, more hairy in a good way, you know, like salon-y. Oh well. Anyway, I'll see how it goes on my dry hair. I'm sure it's not going to do me any harm. Anyway, next item. This is amazing. This is by Iconic. Love, love, love their products. This is a cheek blush, and this is in shade Cheeky Coral. Yeah, I love the Iconic blushes. I'm actually using one at the moment. I'm not using it today because I literally threw on a small amount of makeup, but I'm using the one which is like more of a blush pink. Super pretty. They're just really sheer and radiant, but like in a really good way. They're not highlightery. They're just kind of more like glossy. I really like them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Full size product, Iconic London. Absolutely. Ooh, dropping. Absolutely love their products, so that's amazing. And then what have we got here? Oh, this is a Laura Mercier lipstick in shade Nude Préféré. This is a nice universal kind of nudie, pinky, mid kind of tone. Very, very, very pretty. This is a miniature size, but let's be honest, it's a lipstick, so it's going to last you like probably a year, let's be honest. These miniature lipsticks, I'm always a bit like, they're still a good size. Like, when was the last time you actually got to the end of a full size lipstick? Because personally, it takes me years and I wear a lot of lipstick. Anyway, the next item that we've got is by Amica. This is a nourishing hair mask, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, you use it on wet hair. So yeah, full size, 100 mils. I've used their products a bit, not a huge amount. I quite like them. So that is nice. And then let me show you the last thing. This is Bobbi Brown. I am talking full size Bobbi Brown. I love this product. This is shade Golden Bronze. It's one of their eyeshadow pen crayon-y things. They're so good. They've got one which is kind of a champagne-y colour, which is literally my favourite thing. It's so good. But yeah, it's kind of like a bronzy colour. I might actually give this one to my mum because I know that she really, really, really wants this. So I am excited because actually, do you know what? I don't know if I want to give it away. Is that really bad? It's so good. I love this product. I need to buy the champagne one actually because that is my favourite shade and I've just run out. It's amazing. But yeah, these were amazing. They're so easy to use. Like, even if you're not very good at eyeshadow, which by the way, I'm not very good at eyeshadow, which is really embarrassing to admit to. I keep trying to do a good like eye look and I'm like, it's so hard. I think I've spent so long doing literally winged eyeliner that my eyeshadow skills are just not there. You know, when you're like, I'm not even going to attempt a cut crease. You know, when you're like, I can't even do an easy smoky eye. It's just not that easy. Maybe my eyes are all wrong, but even if I do a good job on one side, the other side does not match. These are so easy. They're so good. You just kind of like whack them on and smudge them in. Do you know what I mean? Like done, done, done. It's great. Anyway, this is full size. I have the shade, what did I say it was? Golden Bronze, but maybe there's different shades. Who knows? But either way, that is the box. I mean, it's wild. It's a wild ride. It's so good. I feel like I'm absolutely manic, so bear with me. The candle, bloody love. The Bobbi Brown, amazing. And then we've got just really nice things. Like we've got Rituals, we've got a Laura Mercier lipstick. The Bobbi Brown is probably the highlight of the entire box for me. But I just think it's a winner. Like, what else have we got? We've got Schwarzkopf, we've got the hair mask, got the Bare Minerals. Like, it is a lot of bang for your buck. I'm pretty sure that the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow is worth more than £25 alone. I really think this is an incredible box. I am so impressed with it. I really think it's going to sell out within like 5 minutes, if not less. It might be like a Taylor Swift ticket where it's like, boom, it's gone. Do you know what I mean? Like, blink and you miss it. Yeah, that is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Hope it's not too manic. I just was like, I need to just pour out my feelings. And I've got a lot of feelings about this box. It's really, really good. But anyway, it's worth £104. It's being sold for 25. 35 if you're a non-subscriber. Worth every penny. It's so, so good. There's a lot of good deals out there at the moment and I think this is probably one of the best ones I've seen. It's incredible. I'm not even sure when it's launching. Should I try and find it? Should I try and look on the website? There's very limited information about this. It's not available yet. When is it available? I don't know when it's coming out. I know it's coming out soon. I don't know. Maybe this week. Who knows? I'll get this video up. I'll try and update the caption or the description box. I don't know, but I think it's incredible. Well worth the money. If you can get hold of it, try and get it. The shoppable link I will put below. I love it. I think it's amazing. And yeah, oh, there is actually a sign up where you can like sign up to get like be one of the first people to get the information so that when it comes out you're like, boom, I'm there, I'm doing it. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.